Good day po. AM update. AM update. Ayan. Let's go inside. Let's go ahead. Room number 2. Yesterday po, they were just starting the ceiling, the layout, and now it's done up to the wall of the door. And it has a design also. There's the design po. Yan. It is a little bit lower than the original one. Sir Randy said it has light inside that. That's the design po. They are done here, so they are working on the other side of bedroom number 1. They are starting. They can't use electricity for now because it's brand out. Ayan po. They already started layout here. Ayan, may kuryente na. Nagsalita. May kuryente. Ayan. Kakabukasan ng kuryente. Ayan po. Then, let's go to bedroom number 4. And here we are. This will be up to the ceiling also. I think 3 meters also. The wall. And we have a division already. This is your receiving area po. On the other side of the wall is your closet. Nalaglag yung tali ni Regan, no? Pakisuyo mo daw, Iri. Baka makadali yung kantuhan. Tanong naman tayo dyan. Insan. Taas mo na lang. And this is your bedroom closet po. Ayan. Dito na po ang they're mixing here already because it will be far if they're gonna mix on the back. So, and also they have a shade here. Let's go outside to see the roof. There you go. Almost. It's just po. 2 roof remaining. Oh, I think we're po. We're out of insulation. Oh my. A little bit short of insulation. The far end on top. But it's the outside naman po. So I think it doesn't need insulation anymore. It's the outside of the attic. So I think it's gonna be okay if it doesn't have insulation. Almost done. The foreman said that they easily uh, installed the roof yesterday. Not like the other side po. They have difficulty in installing it, but on the side of your room, foreman said that they easily installed it. So I think we will not have any problems on whether it has ano po, gaps. Ayan po. They will just install one whole roof, cut it in half, and hopefully I think I put too much tech screw. Oh my. And that's it, ate. AM update of Takas Mansion. Babush.